Hey guys, welcome to Hobbyista Down Under. This is your fellow hobbyista Johnny, and today we will be unboxing Super Sonico BiCute Bunnies from FuRyu. Super Sonico was created by Nitro Plus as a mascot for the annual live music festival called Nitro Super Sonico, where she debuted back in October of 2006. She's been in different games and ads in Japan ever since. There was also an anime which was released in 2014. You can also stream the show from Crunchyroll if you are interested. Anyway, here's a 360-degree look of the box. This is the first BiCute Bunnies figure I have, so I'm not that familiar with what scale it will be. Also, this will be my very first anime bunny figure, so I hope it doesn't start a craze, as I've seen some collectors with a display case full of anime bunny characters. But after saying that, I might just end up like them. Okay, back to reality folks. The box looks nice and all pinky. And are those pink strawberries? And pink macaroons? Wow, this is now making me hungry. Whoever works in the box design section of FuRyu has done really well to make sure that our eyes focus on the figure while still keeping the pink theme of the box. Now time for the touch test. Box has a glossy feel to it, and it's always nice to get figures in an immaculate condition. No stickers for this one, but FuRyu's figures are always the same compared to other manufacturing companies who put extra effort into their packaging. But it's safe to say that this is not a knockoff, as it came from a reputable seller. Let's open up the box and see what's inside. First up, the base. It's a white stand and an emblem of the BiCute Bunnies logo in gold, and 3 holes for the figure to peg into. And yes, made in China. Then we have the bunny ears. They're small and looks easy to attach. And here we have Super Sonico herself. This really took me by surprise, because I didn't expect it to be this big. Oh yeah. She looks so fine. The headphones look great with all the details included in it. The paint job is quite simple and straightforward, as no blending required. The hair looks immaculate, however no movements are allowed. Super Sonico is designed to have large busts, and the costume complements her body perfectly. The costume is slick, and the fishnet stockings have an okay effect. Looking at the back, however, it's a bit of a disaster. Now let's attach the bunny ears. I'm trying to be careful here, as I have damaged some small bits before in an assembly of a figure. Let's not dwell on that. Now let's put the figure onto the base. Aha! I just saw another issue with it. A somewhat minor issue. Here's the complete look of Super Sonico. Wow! Love it! Not bad for a first, maybe to come, bunny figures. I just realized that this is my first Super Sonico figure, and now I'm a fan of her. The bunny costume fits her perfectly, and the paint job was perfectly executed. Simple design and simple pose, so it doesn't overcomplicate things for a sexy bunny figure. Overall, I will rate this 7 out of 10. It would have been higher if the stockings at the back were done properly, but we have to remember that this is a mass-produced item, so not all of them will be perfect. I guess I would have gotten a better figure for a much more expensive price, but this will do me for an entry bunny figure. How about you guys? What are your thoughts? Are you also a fan of Super Sonico? And if you are, please share in the comments which figures are the best. I would love to hear from you on this. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. See you later.